Okay, we're going to start now trigonometry. You have studied in 9th some trigonometrical ratios and some little bit concept of trigonometry. Now let's understand a little more. We are going to, trigonometry here means the trigonometry, that TRI, the 3 letters tells you that we are talking about the 3 sides of a triangle, and here we are talking about the ratio of the 3 sides of a triangle. We will take, please understand, in your syllabus 10th and most of the time, in fact always, a right angle. But there may be, I can repeat, there may be sometimes a challenging question, or maybe one question here, there may be in textbook, we will see that. If they have not given you a right angle triangle, if we come across that, then I will certainly remind you that I have told you this, and how that can be solved I will explain. The sine ratio of that given angle, which is not 30, 60 and 90, other than 30, 60, 90, 45. The ratio, the sine ratio or a cos ratio or a tan ratio, that value will be provided to you. And then utilize that. So let us, before you enter into this chapter, let me give you a small history about it. You know, there are many great scientists who contributed to mathematics. You also know Aryabhatta, the contribution of Indian person to mathematics. The contribution that we introduced, 0. Like that, India has a very important contribution in trigonometry. I will be surprised to know. Sine ratio was the contribution of Indians to the Greeks. Cos and tan was discovered by them. Sine was discovered in India. The mention of it you can find in Vedas, or you can say instead of Vedas, there are many scriptures. It is called Ardha Jiva in Sanskrit. Ardha Jiva, sine ratio. In English, half god. Okay? For more information, find out. Go to Google, go to YouTube, or if it is not available there, please find different books and try to refer it. Let us start. Trigonometry. We are going to study all the ratios. See, if I consider this as theta. Theta is a Greek alphabet. You know it very well, it's not new for you. And we generally use it now to mention the angle, measure of any angle, theta. Now for this theta, this is opposite side. This is adjacent side, and by definition you know this is hypotenuse. So, we write first sine theta. Sine theta will be opposite side upon hypotenuse. This is the ratio, remember. So this ratio will be what? BC upon AC. Cos theta. Cos theta means it is cosine. Short form we call it cos, but it's a cosine theta. This is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. that is AB upon AC. Then we have tan theta, tangent theta we call it. This is opposite upon adjacent. So it is BC upon AB. The other three ratios are reciprocal of sine, cosec. कोसेक, देखो ये क्या है, साइन कॉस टेंजेंट. ये क्या है, कोसिकंट. कोसेक, कोसेक इज हाइपोटेन्यूज, इसका रेसिप्रोकल. हाइपोटेन्यूज अपॉन अपोजिट, दैट इज एसी अपॉन बीसी. कॉस का रेसिप्रोकल है सीकंट, सेक थीटा. दिस इज hypotenuse, इसका reciprocal, hypotenuse upon adjacent, that is AC upon AB. और cotangent, cot is cotangent, that is adjacent upon opposite, AB upon AC. From this we conclude sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta and cosec theta, that is sin and cos are reciprocal of each other, that is cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Cos theta is 1 upon sec theta. It implies that is sec theta is 1 upon cos. And tan theta is 1 upon cot theta. That is, it implies that cot theta is 1 upon tan. ये याद रखो. इससे क्या पता चलता है? और वन मोर इंफॉर्मेशन, tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. नाउ इसको याद कैसे करें? तो मुझे इट्स वेरी सिंपल, लेकिन फिर भी साइन थीटा reciprocal, cosec theta, cos theta, reciprocal, sec theta, tan theta, reciprocal, cot theta. इसको अंडरलाइन करो. You get this. देखो, sin theta upon cos theta equals tan theta. Cosec theta upon sec theta will have cos theta. ये रेसिप्रोकल. इसको याद रख सकते हो इसे. और एक है, आप जानते हो, sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. Cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta. Sec theta is cosec 90 minus theta, tan theta is cot 90 minus theta, and cot theta is tan 90 minus. और है, there is little bit more information left. वो है sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is 6. All this you have to keep in mind. उसको अच्छी तरह से लर्न कर लो. इजी है, प्रैक्टिस करोगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की 5-6 बार तो ऑटोमेटिकली लर्न हो जाएगा. इसको हम प्रूव करेंगे. दिस वी विल हैव टू प्रूव. लास्ट 3 पार्ट्स ये, इसको हम अभी प्रूव करेंगे. I told you that you may have a proof. You may have a proof in trigonometry. तो ये है थोड़े छोटे सा प्रूफ है. This can be asked for 2 marks question. 2 मार्क के लिए पूछा जा सकता है. And that's why we need to study. चलो, this we have to prove. हमें इसको प्रूव करना है. दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड फॉर 2 मार्क्स. 3 क्वेश्चन है, इसमें से कोई भी एक भी पूछ सकते हैं. नॉट in triangle ABC, AC square, yeah, we can write AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. Question number 2. Dividing throughout by AC square. So we get AB upon AC, plus BC square upon AC square equal to AC square upon AC. क्या होगा ये? Dividing both sides of statement 1 by AC square. क्या मिलेगा? देखो ये दोनों स्क्वायर टर्म है, तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर भी टेक AB अपॉन AC एंड ब्रैकेट के बाहर स्क्वायर टर्म प्लस BC अपॉन AC 1. अब ध्यान रखो, व्हाट इज AB? AB इज एडजेसेंट साइड टू थीटा and AC is a hypotenuse, so therefore this will be cos theta, the whole square, plus sin theta, the whole square equal to 1. Since sin theta is BC upon AC, cos theta is AB upon, therefore you can write sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Hence first part prove हो गया. First proof completed. Sin square plus sin square theta plus cos square theta हो गया. अब हम नेक्स्ट जो प्रूफ है उस पर जाते हैं. ये सेम रहेगा, सिर्फ this will be 1 plus cos square theta What is cot? Cot is adjacent upon opposite. So BC से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. Therefore AB square upon BC square equal, plus what was it? BC square upon BC. AC square upon BC square. Dividing both sides by off statement. This is therefore ये होगा AB upon BC the whole square plus 1 equal to AC upon BC. What is adjacent upon opposite? This cot theta the whole square. Opposite upon, hypotenuse upon opposite. Cosec theta. इसको अरेंज करो. 1 plus cos square theta equal to 10 वीक. अच्छा यहां लिखना पड़ेगा अपने को. सिंस cot theta is adjacent upon opposite के AB upon BC and cosec theta is AC upon BC. Now we are going to go for third proof. और उसको हमें निकाल देना है. थर्ड प्रूफ में है वन प्लस tan square theta sec square theta. ABC डिवाइड करना है because this is opposite upon adjacent tan theta. Therefore AB square upon BC square plus BC square upon BC square BC square upon BC opposite upon adjacent, so AB square से divide करना पड़ेगा, because tan theta is opposite upon adjacent, AB. Dividing both sides of statement 1 by AB square. So ये क्या होगा, 1 plus BC upon AB the whole square, AC upon AB the whole square, 1 plus tan square theta is x square theta. Since tan theta is BC upon AB, opposite upon adjacent, and sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent. Now we are going to go for 6.1. 6.1 चालू करते हैं, तो इंक डालते हैं इसके अंदर, तो बहुत तकलीफ है. ओके, सो हियर वी गो. पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है भाई,